Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when no sound plays after you connect your earbuds with a phone. And the first one, maybe it's a problem of audio player. So let's say you use Apple Music, just remove it from the cache and reopen it. Then check, maybe it fixed your problem. Also I recommend it to check is your audio player have the last version. So open App Store or Google Play or maybe Huawei Store and App Gallery. Yeah, it have App Gallery name, and update your audio player. Next one, we need to check is you have the last software version. So open Soundcore application. And if you add your earbuds to the application, you will see this menu. Tap on your device at the device list, and then scroll down. Go to More Settings, and right here you need to click Add Update Firmware. It checked for updates, and it said that I have the last software version. If you haven't installed a new one, right here you will see a wheel with a download. So you just press on it or install. You just press on this at this circle, and it will update your software version. Next one. Also, I recommend it to restart your device. So let's say I use a phone with my earbuds, and I should restart this phone, and then check. Maybe it fixed your problem. And the last one, if all of these methods didn't help you, we should perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, you need to put your earbuds to the charging case and do not close the case. At the back side, we have connection button. You need to press and hold it until LED light right here inside the charging case flashed 3 times rapidly, and then turn off. So let's check it. Here we go, and it's turned off. So now you can release your finger, and firstly we need to remove these earbuds from your phone, and then add it. So go to the settings, Bluetooth, and right here you need to click the information icon or settings icon if you have Android. Forget the device and forget device. Also, if you have Android, click pair new device. And after a factory reset, these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically, so you don't need to press the connection button, and you will see it at the device list. Tap on it, and if you have Android, also click pair after you tap on it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!